How to remove other account in Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to learn how we can remove other account in Facebook, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now I get what you're talking about. Let's say over the time you have happened to add many accounts on the first login page. So when you add many accounts over here, what happens is that they just get piled up one after another, and then you have to choose an account to log in. But let's say you want to remove a particular account from here. You can do so. When you're on the login page, you'll find many profiles here. Do not log into any profile. Instead, what I want you to do is at the very top right hand side, you'll find a little gear icon. So tap that little settings button from the top right hand side of the screen. Then again, you'll find a list of profiles. In my case, I only have one profile, so directly you're seeing this option. If you have 2 or 3 accounts that are saved here, select that profile and then you'll find the option to remove that profile by tapping on remove. Tap the remove button and that account will get successfully removed. That's all it takes to remove other accounts on Facebook. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.